For breaking news, Dr. Bawumia, His Excellency, the former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, also one of the candidates to become flag bearer of the new Patriotic Party, come 31st January 2026. About the tragic event that just occurred to Ghana. The whole country is mourning. All over the nation, all flags are flying at half mast. Now, because these guys who are gone are revered sons of the land. Videos be from Kufurudia, from Tamale, party 4 from both MPP and NDC are all gathered together and they are mourning the passing of these young intellectuals and the sons of this land. Now, Dr. Bawumia wabekasa. Now, officially, on the Facebook page, or the assembly about see, wa friend His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Wa friend, one another omunabes and Yakufa Robert Mafre Bawumia, Kufa Robert Mafre Mahama, and all those things. And per the release coming from the office of the Vice President, former Vice President, His Excellency John Dram, and His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Bawumia, wa friend ni counterpart, ni senior, John Dramani Mahama, a mampeni to offer his condolences. He again has gone on to pay a very, very vivid tribute to all the individuals. And yes, politicians, even the service personnel, military for a soldier for so are now more playing no more. We forget about them because popular and I say screen also debia, but these are individuals also and all those things. And the Dr. Bawumia has called on both NDC new MPP say in a time like this, in a moment like this, we need time to come and say we team you are coming or let me see in the past and nipa now we are talking about, and this is a very, very tragic occurrence. Say CNN, any Al Jazeera Munyo now will report you on this issue because these are top officials in the cabinet of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and the Omane no more role to play. Now they've been appointed barely 8 months to do the work. To serve their people, and first and foremost, MPs and teachers say, people, constituency for, say, represent here. When you now buy elections and send, and all those things are not things that you should wish for. And Dr. Bawumia has done the honorable thing as a state person, and for us, we are talking about this. Let me use this opportunity to debunk false news be circulated on social media. Say channel be associated with Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, BMW TV or Facebook and rejoice over the deaths. No correct channel no MPP4 channel. Ukoma individuals be omumpe Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ni ye enti omudi ni din. Only says Facebook there. Obiabet na sorry create account be e wo BDM now the make iska. Enti enya Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia views no enti afeina the actual communications from the office of Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia Abba, and we are all in this together, both MPP, NDC, PMP, GFP, all of us. These are statements who deserve state tributes from each and every one of you. We'll keep you updated. If His Excellency Akufo-Addo updates, we'll update you. But keep yourself tuned to Ghana TV GH, where we will bring you all the highlights from this breaking news and developing story that has been in the news for the past 5 to 6 hours. We will bring you every detail. So stick with us and leave a comment and share. Bye.
There are many people here, like our brother here, who doesn't want to believe the story that he is dead. You heard from him. He's saying that no, the honorable minister is not dead. He's still alive.
This is a very shock news that we have heard. There's somebody who is ready to work executives, constituency executives, and then the branch executives. And he doesn't discriminate as to whether you are MPP, you are NGC. He's somebody that tries to unite all of us together and bring us under umbrella. At least we can all benefit from his action.
Tell us how you received this news.
In fact, I was just in the house and then I got a call and I said, no, let me do some confirmation and see.
You didn't want to believe the story?
I didn't want to believe it. In fact, it was a blow when I came to reality that actually what I have heard is really true. So what I can only do is to deal with other executives to come to the constituency to see the way forward, what we can do. In fact, it is a very big blow to us. Because some of us, even last night I spoke with him for about 20 minutes, around 10 of them. We discussed a lot of
if you can join us here.
We discussed a lot of things. And then you can even see the molding of the block. We are going to commission.
Okay, you continue talking. I want to show this.
We are going to commission a construction of.
So let's move closer. So you can see the chippings here.
This is what we are going
and
to do
a project. We are told that the party constituency, the central constituency office, was just preparing to begin the construction of a clinic. A clinic.
Yes.
And the foundation is already dug. And they were doing this in connection with the MP, Tamale Central, the late Dr. Murtala Ibrahim. Unfortunately, he is no more. He was part of those state officials who died in the helicopter crash that happened somewhere in the Ashanti region. You can see they have just done the foundation, and you were explaining what is going on here.
I said the sword cutting will be taking place on Saturday, and we are even putting our arrangements forward to make sure.
So he was supposed to be here on Saturday.
Projects come to reality, and then before we realized, we heard this particular unfortunate news. Actually, it is a very big blow, and I know the good people of Tamale will miss him a lot. Looking at the limited time period he has used to bring developmental projects to the good people of Tamale Central, he was a godsend, actually. But at least we love him and God also loves him. And we know where he's going, inshallah. Things will be possible for him.
Some words of prayer coming from one of the constituency executives here at the Tamale Central office of the National Democratic Congress. It is the constituency of the late Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, MP for Tamale Central, Minister for Environment. And we just showed you a project you were supposed to commission on Saturday. And so many constituents here are devastated. And they are crying, many of them reciting the Quranic verse repeatedly, Inna lillahi wa inna